So I have something special in this box that I want to share with you guys. So if you can remember vividly, a few months ago when I started this movement against overpricing, so the first people I called out were the Nigerian clothing brands, number one for charging in dollars, and as well for, overpricing their brands. And I also did free promotions for some of the Nigerian brands that were not overpriced. I asked them to send their brands to me and I did a free promotion for them. So as at that same time, I got a message from this particular brand. Let me read the message to you so you understand and get the whole check. So this message was sent 10th of March when I was doing the overpricing campaign against clothing brands. And the message reads, "Hey Scott, big fan of yours over here. We are a Nigeria-owned luxury watch brand, been creating high-quality timepieces for 7 years now. Currently based in Chicago and we ship worldwide, but plan on opening a storefront in Abuja by the end of the year. We will be honored to send you a couple of our timepieces for your review. Kindly reply back with your rates." So I know they do ad and they do promotion. Except you are solving a problem, I could give awareness for you, but I don't do ads, I don't do promotion. So I sent to them, "Thanks for reaching out. You do have a lovely watch, but I'm not into promotion." And then he had to send a reply and said, "My Scott, thanks for the reply. And fair enough, it's because we saw your video about Nigeria brands being too expensive and out of reach for the masses. We are an example of a Nigeria brand making affordable products for all." So he just said, "Watches, as you know, can cost an arm and leg, but ours cost the hairline with the same quality. There is no reason for a Richard Mille, for example, to cost $700K. It's all an illusion and our artist's own multiple." So I said, "Okay, send it in." And this was in March. So because he was sending it from Chicago, from the United States, he had to take some time before he could get to Nigeria. But however, this is it, and I want to show it to you guys because these timepieces are actually lovely and they are not overpriced. You can check them out for yourself. So the name of the brand is Asorock Watches. They have fragrance as well. So let me show you guys some of these brands. They are really, really lovely. So let me show you this one first. I think this one is for the ladies. You can see how beautiful this looks. This is amazing. Check it out. Asorock. A nice name. Asorock. Presidential. So this is it. This is lovely. Let me show you the one they have for the men. So you can check them out on Instagram, Asorock. They have lovely timepiece. You can see this one. This one is beautiful. And they are not overpriced. They are very, very affordable. Check it out. See how beautiful this one looks. And we have another one. We have another one here. Nice. This one looks really, really nice. So I love this brand, honestly. The quality, the style, it's all really, really nice. You can check this one. And they are not overpriced. They are very, very affordable. Asorock is a Nigeria brand. We have to patronize Nigeria brand and make Nigeria great again. So let me try this one on so you see it. It's lovely. It's wonderful. So go check them out, Asorock. Patronize them, buy from them. They are based in Chicago, but they are coming to Abuja very soon. So their brands are not overpriced. They are very, very affordable. So you don't have to break a bank to own a good wristwatch or a good fragrance. They have lovely fragrance as well that smell really, really nice. I like this one, honestly. So go check Asorock, check them out, patronize them. They look dope, and their timepieces are exclusive and look really, really nice. So this is what it is. Asorock, cheers. I like your product.